Alright, we're doing 1.1 levels because we did 1.0 levels last time, and this is the update after that. I know, crazy, right? Oh yeah, by Jax. Okay, starting it off with a split path, but also starting it off with whatever that timing was. I'm surprised that the levels have been not terrible. Alright, this is just a giant split path level, which, I mean, really don't care. I'm fine with that. As long as it doesn't have blind gameplay, it's okay. So I'm guessing this is gonna be a blind click. Yep, tall pillars. I just have my hand eternally on escape because I need to pause every 5 seconds in these. Let's go! Quickie for Flapender. This is kind of cool. Also, I just realized this is a 4-star. In 1.0, there were only 3 ratings. There was like 4 normals, 8 harders, and then there was 1 easy. In this, we already have a hard. Ooh, okay. Triple ground spike jump, maybe? No, okay. This is still playable. For the 2 people that are watching this, if I ever get to later updates, should I make them 1 video per update so the later ones to end up taking like a year, or should I split them into parts? Would you watch a 2-hour video on 1.6? Or would you watch a bunch of videos on 1.6? Best automatic level. First auto! We're unlocking so many new ratings. I don't know about the best automatic level, but for the time it was. Probably because it was the only one, but you know. Smooth Jumper by Darnock 2. Oh my god, I cannot get away from this guy. Wow. I remember a bunch of the levels around the end of the list are really unsight readable and annoying. At least that's what I remember. That could be an issue. But for now, these aren't bad. There's one called like Red Yahooey or something, and that one sucks, and it's probably by Darnock. That was kind of cool. Isn't it crazy how people back then... Oh, signature Darnock double block / triple block. How many are in there? Interesting ship gameplay. And I win. Auto play area by Jax. I think this is trying to sync. Breeze by Darnock 2. Darnock makes pretty sight-readable gameplay, but Darnock 2? I don't know about that. The background color changed to the color of the portal, which is kind of cool. Thought that only happened in Dorby Basic, but I guess not. Double pillars, that's pretty cool. Alright, nice. Real Auto by Jackie. Alright, 1 by Cody. First Cody level. Alright, this is a pretty cool level. It seems like it could be a Rob Top level. New contender for best level. Okay. We got a tunnel. Cody, please don't screw it up. Don't add unsight readable gameplay at the end of this masterpiece. Tetris? Tetris pieces? Tetraminos? Okay. Easily the best level so far, if not the entire update. Timing by Jax. I remember this one being unsight readable, so I'm so excited. The levels have definitely gotten better after this because people were actually learning how to use the editor. Oh, I remember you have to jump there. Maybe I just misremembered all the unsight readable gameplay. This is perfectly fine. Either that or it absolutely sucks in the last 12%. I mean, that's probably why it's called timing, because there's timings. That one part I can't let go times 1,000. Don't actually know how I should do this part. Not like that. Again, I do think I should be sight reading these, but I'd rather spend 15 minutes playing a level in normal mode, dying to the same thing 15 times, than playing it twice. I really do like wasting time. Why do you think I play this game so much? If this video can get 1 comment, I will beat a level. I'm gonna do the same thing I did in the last 2 videos, and I will keep doing this until it happens. If I get 7 likes on this video before my next video comes out, I will beat an Extreme Demon as the next video. Million extra cool points because these levels oh, 300 stars. Auto 2 by player. Wait, this syncs even more. Alright, Crystal Cave by Hitman BDB. I just opened the comments for some reason, and the third one is like if you hate it when creators hide jump orbs off screen, so this is gonna be fun. Can't wait to practice this one. Alright, so this is gonna be here. Okay, you know what? That isn't that bad. It's kind of expected. I think this is one of the best levels because it's called Crystal Cave and it has ground spikes, which are trying to look like crystals. This is probably one of the most creative levels in the entire update. It really makes me feel like I'm playing a Geometry Dash level called Crystal Cave. Alright, nice. 2 by Cody. World-renowned sequel to 1. No. No. No, yeah. Ah. Alright, nice. A ship part. Straight fly. Oh my god. I mean, these are really good, and these definitely could be RobTop levels, if, you know. I never knew this until I made the video Red Yahui by Darnock 2. Practice mode. It looks cool. I just remember it not being very fun. I never knew this until I was making the 1.0 video, which had end of line in it. But I won't explain how. You have to go watch the video to find that out. If you jump at the start of end of line, text that says hello or something, it'll just start moving towards you. I don't know why that was added, but I mean, cool. I think my best was 76. What's at 76? What's at 76%? What? This really is not bad. I will give this level 1 clickbait point though, because it's not entirely red. Symmetry, yay. Nice. Reach for the Skies by Darnock 2. Oh, okay. Oh, cool, there's another one. Time. Okay. So I'm guessing it's gonna be a second blind orb, yeah. Alright, I'm predicting the blind orbs now. Yes. Okay. I'm sight reading. Maybe I'm not. I think my use of the word sight readable will go up 1,000,000% during this series. Loop pads and orbs were added in 1.3. 3 by Cody. Wow, the series is getting intense. Let's make it an Undertale. Oh, more Tetris pieces. I didn't even realize. Anyway, let's make it an Undertale video. The footage for like the first section, the footage was like half an hour. I ended up making the footage for that like 20 minutes. Level A by Jax. A by Jax. The 4th map. That was kind of cool, you know, like there's multiple blocks and you have to go like under some. A 3 by Pro. I've noticed a lot of levels having white flashes for pads, but then also having the color of the portal as the background, but this one's even more advanced. This one has the color of every portal, not just the mirror portals. Now it's purple, now it's green, oh, now it's orange. There's still white flashes, now it's green, yeah, now it's blue, orange. Okay, that's definitely a Darnock million object block right there. Ball! That's not in 1.1. Alright, complete Stereo Menace V2. The first V2 level by Verflappender again. Base after base gameplay. And no, it's not. Oh, okay, never mind, yeah. This is definitely base after base. Oh, wait, I just realized this level's called Stereo Madness V2. This is not base after base, this is Stereo Madness. And not, oh, you really got me there. I thought the level ended at 55%. Bouncer by Darnock 2. I remember this one's not very good. The classic Darnock double object. I still have no idea how to get past this pad. Like, do I have to jump later or earlier? That's why. I mean, it's a buffer, but why? Going through this little iced cave. Ha 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 ha. That is not a fun timing. The only reason I would need to practice a level for the first few updates is because it's unsight readable. And then we get to 1.5, which has Zero copy, I've heard it pronounced both ways, but that level somehow was a 1.5 level that was slightly updated. Mystic Portar by Partition. How is that one pillar slightly off? It's not a very good level to say this in because the song is Time Machine, but apparently Polargeist is like an ice tower defense game or something. I think it's fine that I'm not practicing this because a lot of the times I'm dying is just because I'm bad at the game. Was that also off? I am fine with this game mode. Okay, I don't know how to feel about these game modes. Alright, I think we're fine. What did that say? 4 by Cody. The series just keeps getting better. I don't think I should pause buffer on these levels because I trust Cody. Can't wait to like actually find icons that I like, because usually what I do is I end up changing my icons every like 2 weeks because I find new ones that I like more. Usually I just find my new icons by looking at the main menu and seeing a cool icon fly by, and then I'm like, oh, actually I want that. Let's go, these levels are so peak. 4,000 blocks to go by Darnock 2. Still a really cool level, but the whole point was to reach the object limit, and you didn't even do that. Isn't a special. What am I doing? Alright, the 4th time getting to this. Here we go. Cool. Why did you make that? Oh, I don't know. I thought it was cool. Well, it's not. You were wrong. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Smooth Caverns by Darnock 2. Alright, this is actually a pretty good level. I beat it in 1 attempt. Never celebrate too early. Screw you. I did anyway. Boom. 5 by Cody. 5 levels in this series? How many are there on Geometry Dash updates? Oh, it's a split path as well. Oh, what? No, there isn't. It's not a split path. Good game. Chill Out Remake by Darnock 2. We're not even past the first 2 updates and we already have a remake of a user level. I think I like this one more than the original, but I don't know what the original is, so I can't really compare them. Alright, nice. That was pretty fun. And now we only have 1 level left. Triple S by Fur Flapbender. This is like base after base or can't like. No! I'm just gonna hold. Oh, right, it's this level. You do actually have to hold there. Something color scheme. Okay, never mind. Boom! We're done with 1.1. Honestly, not even that bad. I thought it would be a lot worse. Tetris pieces? Tetraminos, okay. Okay. So I'm guessing it's gonna be a second blind orb, yeah.